What is up, scrappers, tool addicts, tool collectors? How's everybody doing? It's Friday. Got a long weekend, Christmas. Hope everyone's going to have a Merry Christmas, Happy Holiday. We don't go back to work till Tuesday. So, purpose of this video is, I think it was maybe last Monday, John, Scoutcrafter, came up on YouTube, and he was talking about screwdrivers. And someone left a comment that said, how many screwdrivers do you need? Well, Resto Rob did a Scoutcrafter screwdriver, but not a screwdriver challenge. See how many he had. And he had a boatload. And by the way, Rob, nice collection. So I'm going to add to that. And I'm going to do my Scoutcrafter screwdriver not challenge. But anyway, so let me get you out of the cradle. And we're going to discuss all the screwdrivers that old Ccscraps has. All right, so we're out of the cradle, and these are just some random ones that I had in different toolboxes. Some are no names, some are just dirty, and I don't know what the names are. Like, here's a Jensen. These might be Klein or Stanley. Here's an Ace right here. These, I don't know the name. We'll get a count afterwards. Don't know the name. This is a Mac right here. A couple no names, or a few no names. I don't know that one. This one is a wire mold. Snap-on right here. I think this is a Fuller. Here's a Roscoe, made in the USA. I don't know what these ones are. That might be a Snap-on as well. Some of these are really womped on, but they work. Another no-namer, I think. Fuller. This is probably a Harbor Freight. I don't know what that one is. This is a Craftsman. No, I'm sorry. This is a Phillips. Professional. Here's a couple. This is made in China. Handiworks. Handy. Here's a couple wooden handle ones I found. They got the roached handles. It looks like someone took a hammer and beat on this thing and busted it up. But that's going to be part of the set. Have you been watching my videos? These are, I think these are Fuller as well. Here's a Snap-on. Is this a screwdriver? I think it might be. Does that count as 3 or 1? I don't know. Here's all my Stanleys right here. I don't know what that one is. I don't know what this one is. It's got a really cool handle. Isn't that cool? Look at the colors. This one is a USA made. I don't know what that is, what that symbol stands for. Someone can let me know. Would be cool. This one, no, I don't know what that is either. And then we got these ones, my everyday use ones. Like here's, I was looking at the shop the other day before I even brought these out, and I have 78 that I can see right now. These are just my everyday ones that I use when I'm out in the shop. These are the 2 Restos I did. Up here, my, the insulated ones for electrical work. I'm not even going to get into the nut drivers because that's going to be a whole nother video because I got a boatload of them too. I guess these are screwdrivers, right? I didn't think of that. And then over here, we got all the little babies right here. There's, I don't know, 10 in there. Here's like advertisement ones, another wooden handled one right here. Then we've got, and I've also got some in my truck too. Then over here is all the stubbies. Look at all the stubbies, and there's some the screwdrivers that, can hold the screws. 357 Magdad, there's your pokey things. Let's see what else. Oh, you know what? I got more in old Granddaddy's Snap-on toolbox. Sit tight. Oh, and then we got the Craftsman collection. So here's what's in the in the toolbox here. Just some random little ones. My dad gave me these in a little lot, like a bag full of tools. Do I have any more in here? So we're going to get a hard count here in a minute. Let's see here. Oh, the Craftsman's. Where's the Craftsman's? Oh, yeah, the Craftsman's. Oopsie. That's going to get fixed up to a nice table. So here's the collection of Craftsman's. There's stubbies in there too, but I keep all the Craftsman with the Craftsman. All right, more down here. That's it there. So let me, let's get a count here. What do you think? Let's count them up. So off camera, I got a count of 185, and that's just in the shop. That doesn't count what's in the house or what's in my truck or God knows where else they may be. But I'll say what's 185 in the shop and whatever might be in the house. Say another 10 in the house and in the truck. So let's say 200, and let's just give it an even 200 screwdrivers. Yeah, so that's it. 200 screwdrivers that old Ccscraps and Restoration has. But yeah, that's it. I mean, do you want to count, like, do we count these too? Are these screwdrivers? I mean, you do have Allen key screwdrivers. I don't know. Do we count those? If we do, that's another 10. And do you count nut drivers? Because some nuts are screws too, right? So I don't know. Do those count? If we're counting nut drivers, add another 20. So we're up right around that mark. You're right, Scoutcrafter. What maniac only has one screwdriver? All right, I hope you enjoyed this screwdriver challenge. Feel free to pay it forward. Do another screwdriver challenge, someone out there. Don't let me and Resto Rob and I guess Scoutcrafter be the only ones that I've seen so far. John, hope you get better, man. I know I saw your video and you weren't feeling too good. Hope all is well. All y'all out there, my subscribers, all the people watching, y'all have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We'll see you on the next one. Ccscraps and Restoration. Peace. Have a great night, y'all.